His new book, The Codebreaker, tells an amazing story. It's about how Jennifer Doudna and other scientists discovered a new way to edit DNA. Editing DNA with precision has been a holy grail for scientists for decades. The DNA, of course, encodes all of the biological functions. And so some of the mistakes in DNA cause disease, genetic disease. If we could go in and fix those mistakes, we could save many lives and get rid of these diseases. CRISPR is a very fascinating tool. You figure out a part of the DNA sequence that you want to change. Then you take the DNA that's nearby and create a guide in RNA, so that helps you locate the position. And then you link this Cas enzyme, which has the ability to do that cut and edit. And so pulling together this guiding RNA and this Cas enzyme, editing becomes possible. Our foundation is funding work to see if we can use CRISPR to knock down mosquito populations dramatically. We're also looking at CRISPR to make better seeds. We're also looking at ways that CRISPR might help us with very accurate diagnostics. And we're considering how the CRISPR gene editing might lead to a way of curing HIV and things like sickle cell. Using CRISPR to help cure disease is not very controversial, but using CRISPR, you could actually change the DNA that would determine your baby's eye color or skin tone. Most scientists agree that this is something that we should not do. Walter's book does a great job talking about how it's a slippery slope and raising the question of where should we draw the line and the relative role of the scientific community and governments in helping make sure that we don't cross it.
He should stick to computers. Like, what is this? Like,
Sorry, I'm actually disturbed.
It's so disturbing. Like, why? Why is a computer guy involved in this? It's so sinister. Like, it just sends this chill down my spine. Ooh.
I study genetics.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a biologist, so I study genetics.
Yeah.
And I know a little bit genetics is really complex, and you understand it or you don't. So it's why, like, when people do their exam, it's or you perform or you fail. You're not like in the middle. Because it's a concept that you need to understand how it's working. And you don't touch genetic.
Yeah.
Because the genetic, once you change it just a little bit, the error of the replication of your DNA afterwards will create more and more mistake and more error. And we create like so much more disease.
That's a clip from our daily Rebel News live stream where we talk about the news of the day and things that interest us in an unscripted way. We have a rotating cast of your favorite Rebel News characters as hosts, including sometimes a surprise appearance by the Rebel Commander, Ezra Levant. To learn more, just go to rebelnews.com/livestreams.